In this video, we're going to show you how to use the /rewind command to undo mistakes in Claude Code. When working with Claude Code, it's common to experiment with different prompts, generate code changes, or iterate quickly on a solution. However, sometimes a recent change might introduce errors, break functionality, or move your project in the wrong direction. Instead of manually fixing everything step by step, Claude Code provides a powerful way to go back to a previous state using the /rewind command. This feature allows you to restore your session to an earlier point in your conversation, helping you recover from mistakes quickly and safely without losing important progress. The good news is that using /rewind is simple, and it can significantly improve your workflow when experimenting or debugging. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use /rewind effectively and when it is most useful. So let's get started. The first method is to use /rewind inside your Claude Code session. When you realize that a recent change caused an issue, type /rewind into the command line and press enter. Claude will then show you available points in your recent conversation history that you can return to. You can select a previous state before the mistake occurred. Once confirmed, your session will revert to that earlier point, effectively undoing the unwanted changes. This allows you to continue working from a clean and stable version of your workflow. If needed, you can then try a different approach or refine your prompt before moving forward again. This is especially useful during debugging sessions where multiple iterations are being tested. In many cases, rewind is faster and safer than manually reversing changes. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, use /rewind when you notice a mistake or unwanted change in your session. Second, select a previous point in your conversation history to restore your workflow. And third, continue working from the restored state with a cleaner and more stable context. Remember that /rewind is designed to help you recover quickly from experimentation or errors without starting over completely. It gives you more flexibility when testing ideas or debugging complex issues. Using it wisely can save time and reduce frustration during long coding sessions. It also helps maintain a cleaner workflow by allowing you to safely explore different approaches without permanent consequences. And that's how to use /rewind to undo mistakes in Claude Code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.